This is how to set up bulk data export to BigQuery with Google Search Console. So from your dashboard, select a property, then scroll down, click Settings, click Bulk Data Export, and we will prepare our cloud project. So just click this one to view instructions. So we will open our Google Cloud Console and we will choose our project. So let's say my first project, and we will enable the APIs. So just go to APIs and services, and listed here are the enabled APIs. So be sure you see BigQuery API and BigQuery Storage API. If not, enable them here. So let's go to I am an admin. And just click grant access, and we will copy this service account name. So we'll just click new principles, paste it here. And for the roles, be sure you have BigQuery job user and BigQuery data editor. So let's find BigQuery. Then we'll find BigQuery job user. We will add another role. Go to BigQuery. And we will choose BigQuery data editor. And just click save. Okay, now let's go back to our console. And this is our project ID. So we'll just copy this one. Let's go back to Search Console. Let's paste the project ID here. For dataset name, just leave it as is. And for dataset location, choose a location listed here. For instance, Singapore. Click Continue and click Setup Export. Now our setup is complete, and just wait for the next 48 hours. Just click Done and our bulk data export is active. So this is how to set up bulk data export to BigQuery with Google Search Console.